Tokidos! Emotions are such an important part of our childhood, yet we have few tools to learn about them. In this game, the player embodies Rapunzel, who faces difficulties as she discovers her personality. This is how it works. As Rapunzel walks into her village, the kids are teasing her about her long hair. The player has to shake the cubes to stop the teasing.
Come on, Hugo, please, not today. That's enough. If you don't stop, my father will put you in the dungeon.
Rapunzel tries many things to stop the teasing, and she's sad. But being sad won't be enough. And Rapunzel goes on to learn that throughout the game.
Rapunzel needs your help to choose her path.
After running away from the village, she's confronted with a choice. Here, the player has to choose a path to continue the story.
In front of her was a path lit by a full moon.
Let's go. I'm sure I'll find my way with the moonlight. Maybe I'd better turn back.
Should she turn back or should she follow the road? We're gonna choose to go towards the moonlight.
Gathering her courage and her hair, the princess rushed into the wood.
At every step of the story, the player learns what options are available to manage an emotion and hopefully integrates these learnings in their lives. And you can simply listen to the story if you don't feel like playing it.